Hello friends, my name is Dipan. Basically, I am from Gujarat. I am interested in networking domain. That's why I have to choose I-Medita. In I-Medita, I have enrolled for a multi-track program. In multi-track program, I have completed training CCNA, CCNP, and CCNA security. And if talk about the trainers, the Surendra sir and Baldev sir, this is very helpful for me. And I am improve my technical knowledge and practical as well as the in the I-Medita. I am also like lab access for 24/7, and also the I-Medita management is very good. Recently, I got placed in SecurView. If you are looking for networking domain and you have to training or you have to interested in the networking domain, so you have to join the I-Medita. Thank you.